Hello, hello everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hello everybody. My name is Lakisha Copeland and I am the founder of Winning While Waiting, and I wanted to welcome you to the first masterclass of the year. And the mission of Winning While Waiting is to rebuild, empower, and deploy you into destiny. In the month of January, we are going to focus on detoxing our lives from everything that has held us back, whether it is mental, whether it's physical, and even emotional, everything that has been holding you back from fulfilling and walking in your purpose. And the topic of tonight is loving you is killing me. Loving you can be in it. You can love anything, and some of the things that we love can be toxic, and some of the people that we love can be toxic. So, in this series, I am going to talk about toxic people and how they can be harmful for your self-esteem. So, point number one: toxic people are those, instead of helping you grow, will try to weigh you down with their own problems, with their own insecurities, and with their own failures and negative thinking. It is important to evict toxic people out of your life as soon as you recognize those people who are very insecure in themselves and will try to put their insecurities on you. It's very important that you evict those people out of your life quickly and efficiently, because as the saying says, misery loves company. Point number two: toxic people will project their own low self-esteem and insecurities on you. If toxic people are insecure in their purpose and insecure in their business or life, they will project those feelings on you, and in certain phrases that toxic people use and that you can recognize, such as I don't think this is going to work. Are you sure you want to do that? Um, I tried that, but it didn't work for me. So toxic people will use phrases that can get into your spirit because you'll begin to ponder on that phrase that they use. And so when you hear some of these phrases, it is important that you quickly reject what they have tried to pour into your spirit, and then you counter it with something positive. And our last point is toxic people do not believe in the beauty of their dreams, so therefore they will try to hinder and stop your dream, because some people do not want to see you succeed. They don't want to see you go forth in purpose. They don't want to go see you go forth in ministry or your business. They don't want to see you grow. So when they toxic people see you outgrow them, then it becomes a problem. So it's important that we evict toxic people from our life and make sure that you are surrounded by positive and supportive people. And in the month of January, we are focusing on things that are toxic to our spirit, things that are toxic to our life, things that can hold us back or weigh us down, because sometimes we will try to go into the new year and just go full fledged and pouring out content, doing events, and doing a lot of things that we never take the time to sit down and see what the previous year was like for us. So, and in order to go forth, sometimes we have to go back. And so, in this month, we're going back and we're seeing what has held us down, what can we do differently, and how can we shape our lives so we can just launch into purpose and go full fledged ahead. So I want to thank you for joining us for our first masterclass. And also in the month of January, we will be going over goals and visions and how to set strategic goals so that you can measure them, and also just do what you want to do in your business and also in your life. And if you haven't grabbed my free ebook, I have a free ebook 365 Powerful Affirmations for Successful Women. It's free. All you have to do is go to my website at www.purposefulpain.com and enter your email address, and it's yours for free, no catch. Just visit my website at www.purposefulpain.com and get a free copy of my ebook. And these are some of the affirmations that I use personally in my life in order to accomplish my dreams and goals. And thank you for visiting me, and I will see you guys next week at 9 p.m.